Kia huri ki te whutupōro iaia nei e te iwi, kua tai atu te kapa ōpango Māori ki Fiji mō tā rātou whakamātautau tuatahi ki ngā Fiji ana ka tū ki Suva hei te rā horoi nei. Kei reira ara paira tāwhai i tēnei wānei nō reira kia whakawhiti atu tātou ki aia o tira ki tēnei pūrongo āna.
He atu hoki mā te inu kāwā hei pōhiri i te kapa Māori. Ko te haka hei whakautu atu. Nā kua mutu ngā mihi kua rite mo te kakari nui te haere ake nei.
Oh, I wouldn't expect that they would be intimidated. There's a lot of guys that are playing professional rugby now all over the world, and you know they've been in the big arena a number of times. They're well coached, and they're in their own backyard. So we know that they'll come into the game confidence.
Hei tā te kai ako anō hoki he tukinga nui te haere ake i te mea he kotahi piro noa te wehenga i te tukinga whakamutunga ai nei kapa e whātau ki muri.
Oh, I think it will be. I think it will be close. Our guys are acutely aware of the challenge that's ahead, so we've noticed the real edge in the trainings that we've had to date. And that's only come about because we know how strong the Flying Fijians are going to be.
Definitely looking forward to the challenge, and you know Fiji's up in the top 10 nations of the world for rugby now. So you know they've had some awesome wins lately, and we're looking forward to giving them a good run on Saturday.
He mōhio te kapa no Fiji ki te wero nui kei mua ia rātou no reira tō rātou kaha whakapakari ki runga whira tākaro.
We certainly, you know, we want to get our campaign away to a good start, and you know, there's no better team for us than to play the New Zealand Maoris with that tradition, and you know, all our players really look forward to this fixture. So, you know, we're concentrating on our game. You know, we've got one eye's on the match on Saturday, and you know another eye's on the World Cup. So we're starting our journey. We want to start our journey on a good note.
Hei te ata o a popo whakaingoa tia ngā kapa e rua.